This literature kit on The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway provides creative ideas that offer enhanced learning in the classroom. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Become familiar with vocabulary words by using them to complete unfinished sentences. Explore the character of Santiago by indicating what he said that suggested big fish were nearby and what this says about his experience. Put events between Manolin and Santiago in the order that they happen after Santiago's fight with the marlin. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as comparing this story with that of Moby Dick, and imagine how the tone of the story would change if Santiago were more like Captain Ahab. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Students create a link between the unity of the old man with all of nature. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.